Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Anybody that knows me knows that I am a sucker for a Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Follow me and I'll show you why. Back here, Mercury 154 stroke, Operation Bedrock, the most reliable engine ever manufactured. A big question I get every single day is, what is the difference between a 19 and a 21 SPX Outboard? Well, besides the obvious 2 feet, there's a few differences that you can't really miss. One, back here, while you do have the same amount of storage down beneath, you gain the option to flip this up, give yourself a nice rearward facing sun pad that you can sit up on, or of course flip it down, make everything flush. Another big difference between a 19 and a 21 is you gain that 2 feet right here. So you're never going to feel crowded. You'll be able to move around. Adults not going to be stepping on each other's feet. Nice entertaining area back here on the aft deck. Take a look over there. That's the captain's chair. We put so much emphasis on that every single week, every single video. But let's focus on the co-captain's chair for once. While your significant other is driving the boat, it's a real nice comfortable area to sit as you tell them not to hit that sandbar over there. Got a nice bimini up here. Give you plenty of shade, easy to collapse to. Perhaps if you are challenged by a low-hanging bridge in your area, you got some clearance concerns, no problem at all. Over here, something a little bit different. Instead of all analog gauges, you do have a couple analog gauges with a 5-inch Simrad digital screen. While I pointed out plenty of storage back there before, up here you do have additional storage on the port side. Outboard powered bow rider. Bow rider means you ride on the bow, and that's exactly what you do up here. Not only can you ride up on the bow, but you can also do it at higher speeds and not get thrown off the boat, because it is meant to be a comfortable ride up front. I'm a little bit fired up about this boat. I'm excited. I'm yelling. I know that. You too. I'll see the comments later. I love you guys. However, there's a reason to be excited about this boat. It is the perfect entry-level boat to the beautiful world of boating in Florida. If you have any other questions on a 19, 21, or even a 23 SPX, give me a call. Let's set up a sea trial and get out on the water. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm out until next time. Bye.